Raising awareness for youth mental health is getting a big boost from cops across the country. Hope in the Darkness is a national walk that sees police from the east and the west coast walk towards Winnipeg. The goal is to help find new solutions to the rising mental health concerns among youth in Canada. Will Landon says he knows all too well why this walk was needed, as he himself has attempted suicide 3 times.
That was my last year, my 3rd year in university. My other one was when I was about 21, and I jumped off a bridge. And my very first one was when I was about 17, and I tried to hang myself.
Landon says after his sister-in-law committed suicide, he had no way to cope with her loss, aside from drinking, which he started as a young boy. Landon suffers from depression. The Canadian Mental Health Association says an estimated 10 to 20% of Canadian youth are affected by a mental health illness or disorder.
An event like this is a call to action in many ways to say, as a community, as health services and funders and decision makers, we need to continue to be prioritizing our young people.
Police in the West began in BC, while their counterparts started out from Newfoundland. Now, after 4 months, the two groups are coming together at the Canadian Museum for Human Rights here in Winnipeg. The founder of Hope in the Darkness is Kevin Red Sky, an Anishinaabe police sergeant. He, too, has also been affected by suicide.
Personally, my niece 5 years ago, Jaylyn, we lost her while in the child welfare system here, so that really impacted our families.
Red Sky has walked over 4,600 kilometers since April 1st, in unison with over 1,000 officers from across Canada. Red Sky says our current supports and resources are failing Canadian youth.
As frontline workers, we're often seen at the hospital with the youth while they're in crisis. We're first on scene, and we're not confident that the systems currently in place are working. There's a definite need. Our youth are screaming for help. So we took it upon ourselves to do something for our youth.
All of the information gained during the walk will be compiled into a new initiative called Strength and Continuous Change, which will be available to frontline organizations, police, and communities by the end of September. In Winnipeg, Mike Albanese, City News.